see if a non-MagSafe phone case would charge and stick, and this one, because it's a thin one, it did stick on and it does charge. But in this case, I realized the first time you do need to press the button at the bottom first for it to charge. After the initial time, your phone should charge automatically whenever you put it on like so. A cool feature about this portable battery pack is that it can act as a phone stand, and it can be both for vertical view or horizontal view, which I find super convenient. You can tell that's not very stable, and that's because we're using the wrong phone case, so let's change it to a MagSafe one. Now that we're using the MagSafe phone case, it's a lot more stable and it doesn't slip. Overall, I'm very happy with my purchase. I hope you enjoyed this video and talk to you another day.